Hi, in this video I'm going to show you the hidden settings that you can make for your Renault Megane. This is a Renault Megane 3 from 2013, and the thing that we have to do is use these two buttons over here and press these two buttons both in the same time, but not now. Firstly, we are going to use one of the buttons to go to settings menu. So now if we want to access settings menu, we have to press both of the buttons. Let's see. Yeah, so now we are in the settings menu. Over here we have a couple of options. Auto door locking while driving, in my case is on. Auto dipped beam headlights, on as well. Auto rear wipe with reverse gear. I don't like this option because all the times when I'm reversing, my rear wiper is starting to work, and there are certain times when it's really cold, especially during the morning, and there is a little bit of ice, and that wiper is frozen, and it's really doesn't work, and there is a possibility for me to break the wiper because of that. Let's see what we have here. Front parking sensor is on, obviously. Yes, this is a very good option, and in the back as well. Initially I didn't knew about this option, that you can select if the rear the parking sensors are working or not, and for 2 or 3 months I thought that the front sensors are not working. A friend of mine told me that this is just a settings, and I have to use this menu and change it. Language, you can change the language over here, and that's about it. So this is the hidden settings that you can make for your 2013 model. This is a 2014, but I believe it's a model that was built from 2009 until 2016. If you knew different dates, please just comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.